Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 12T, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM card into this phone. So you will need to grab one of these things, a SIM ejector. It comes provided with the device in the box, so you can get it from there. But if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have one of them, if you have a case on your phone, take it off. There we go. And the tray is located at the bottom of the phone. You can see it, if I can get the light to shine correctly. It's basically right here on the left side. Now the insert pin for this little tool is on the very edge of the little cutout for the tray. So you can see where the pin is holding right now. And you want to just simply push it in. As you can see, the tray pops out just a tiny bit, enough for you to grab it and yank it out. Now on the tray you have space for two different SIM cards. You can use two at the same time, obviously, or you can use one. And if you're planning to use one, it does not really matter which tray you put it on. You can put it on the bottom one, which is labeled number 2, or top one, just whichever one is faster for you. From there, make sure that the card is clipped in correctly. If you flip it over and the card falls out, then it wasn't clipped in correctly. Anyway, from there, insert it back into your phone, and the card should start working right away. Let's see. We have reception. Oh, we already do. So as you can see, there it is. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.